How important is robotic education in 2019? Let's see with an example of computers. In 1978, computers were introduced. Lot of people did not guess this will create a drastic change in our life. The main concerns of the people was, it will take all our job. Some people thought it would be very expensive, so we don't have to bother about it. Some were reluctant to learn computers by thinking it would be very hard. But time proved these were superstitions. Adding to it, in 2019, Government of India made a revolutionary step in education by adding artificial intelligence and machine learning to the curriculum. This proves the need of robotics and technology education in this era. Not only that, Government of India is building ATAL Tinkering Lab in 1 lakh selected schools to promote robotic education. So, how robotics is changing our life now? Let's take a look at some of the examples. Tech giants like Google and Uber is now testing driverless cars. In the near driverless future, a variety of innovative and promising job opportunities will be created at the back end, offering improved lifestyle and better job security. Earlier, whole industrial operations involved humongous human efforts. Industry 4.0 started replacing human workforce with autonomous machines. By 2030, over 60% of the global industries will undergo automation. Recently, a hospital in Cochin completed 60 robotic surgeries over a span of 6 months. Expertise in robotics will be an added advantage for doctors and other health specialists. More opportunities will be created in the medical sector for people from other domains too. There is now a functional robotic restaurant in Kannur district in Kerala. There are even robots who can cook several dishes just like a chef. This shows robotics can bring a great career with good salary and work environment. So the question is, are you future ready? Not all students have passion to become a scientist, inventor or engineer in robotics. Technology is what drives the world today, and students must be adept with the latest developments in robotics technology to succeed in this competitive world. How will your kid be trained in robotic? In order to dazzle in the robotics field, knowledge about production and mechanical technologies, problem solving, development and coding are necessary. We train students from the basics of fabrication to latest prototyping technologies like 3D printing. Students are given real-life problems and will be trained on how to solve them using robotics. We have specialized kits for electronics, using which students are given hands-on training in circuit development and programming. Finally, we make students capable of developing robots by doing real-time projects. So, hurry up! Make your kid future ready.